words of Sri Aurobindo from the book The Mother, Part 2, Letters on the Mother by Our Lord, Chapter 9, The Mother and the Working of the Ashram, page 292, topic, The Inner and the Outer Contact. Sri Aurobindo says, let the inner contact with the mother increase. Unless that is there, the outer contacts, if too much multiplied, easily degenerate into a routine. I mean the inner contact in which one either feels one with her or in contact with her or aware of her presence or at the very least turned towards her always. Date 16th March 1935. Question. Today I had an intense desire to go in the mother's room upstairs so as to be near and close to her. For this Sri Aurobindo says, but the coming near to the mother should be in the inner rooms, not the outer. For in the inner rooms one can always enter and even arrange to stay there permanently. Date 8th March 1935. Question. How is it that in writing a letter to you, the higher things increase and become stronger? For the Sri Aurobindo says, I suppose it is because in the act of writing, or rather in its beginning, you enter into contact with the mother and the force. Date 10th May 1936. Next topic, 2 ways of the mother's giving. Sri Aurobindo says, the mother gives in both ways. Through the eyes, it is to the psychic, through the hand to the material. Date 29 September 1932. Obviously, the time has nothing to do with it. 1 hour's touch or a moment's touch, as much can be given by the one as by the other. Date 18th April 1935. It was not because of any fault of yours that the mother gave only a short blessing. She has to do that for all who come at the beginning because they need to go quickly to their work. If you want a longer blessing, you must come afterwards. But when you have to come early, you can get as much out of the mother's short blessing if you are quiet and open. Next topic, significance of the mother's giving of flowers. Question. What is the significance of the mother's giving us flowers at pranam every day? Sri Aurobindo says, it is meant to help the realization of the thing the flower stands for. Date 28th April 1933. Question. Are flowers mere symbols and nothing more? Can the flower symbolizing silence, for example, help in the realization of silence? For this Sri Aurobindo says, it is when mother puts her force into a flower that it becomes more than a symbol. It then can become very effective if there is receptivity in the one who receives it. Date 19th July 1937. Question. We do not get from the mother the flowers which our mind thinks we should get. For the Sri Aurobindo says, obviously not. The mind chooses according to likings or fancies or else to some mental idea of what should be. The mother chooses by intuitive observation of what is needed. Date 9th July 1934.